Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. This sum says, three friends, Gabby, Joe and Corey, are all collect free gift tokens issued in a magazine. Gabby has X tokens, Joe has 10 more than half the number Gabby has, while Corey has double Joe's amount. Four expressions are given below. Decide which expression represents the number of tokens owned by Joe and which represents the number of tokens owned by Corey. So here they say there are three friends, Gabby, Joe and Corey. All collect free tokens issued in a bank. Gabby has X. So we know Gabby has X. Joe has 10 more. So Joe has 10 more than Gabby. Gabby's tokens are represented by, so 10 more means add 10. Okay, and then it says 10 more than half number of Gabby. So half Gabby's half plus 10 more. Okay, so this is what Joe has. So let me write it like that. So Joe has Gabby's half, and to his half he adds 10. So this is what Joe has. So this is the expression for Joe. Okay. Now they also want which represents the number of tokens owned by Corey. So we are done with Joe. Joe has 10 more than half the number of Gabby has, while Corey has double Joe's amount. So this is Joe's amount. So Corey has double of Joe's amount. Correct? If I solve this, okay, 2 will be multiplied by this one. So it becomes 2 into 1 upon 2x plus this 2 will be multiplied by this 10 as well. Okay, so 2 into 10. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Remember children, cancellation can happen only if there is a multiplication sign in the middle, not with an addition and subtraction. When it is an addition and subtraction, you need to remove the LCM, equalize the denominator and then add the numerators accordingly. But if it's a multiplication, you straight away you can cancel it out. So here I get 1 into x makes it 1x. 2 into 10 makes it 20. So it can either be written like that or normally x plus 20. So Corey has x plus 20. So this is Corey's expression. Alright children? Now it says, explain why Gabby must have an even number of tokens. Now it depends. See, the number of tokens has to be an integer value. That means it's physical. In integers also, it needs to be a natural number. He has something. So it cannot even be an whole number, which is a 0. 0 is added. So it cannot be 0. It is an integer. That means anywhere from 1 to infinity. Okay. As Joe's is half to Joe's is related to half of Gabby's. So anything or half. If I half anything, if I divide anything by 2, I need to get a whole number. Tokens cannot be in points. If you get a token, half token you take, half token I take, it doesn't work that way. Either I have a full token or I don't. Hence, it means that Gabby must be having an even number that was then halved or then divided by 2, and which gives me a positive whole number. Alright, so here you can simply write that the token has to be a positive number or integer, okay, which when divided by 2 gives us a whole number. Hence, Gabby must have an even number. Write an expression for the total number of tokens they have. So, Gabby, no, who was the first one? The first one was Joe, correct? No, the first one was Gabby. So, what is Gabby's expression? It says it is X. So, let me just write down X out here. I have to remember I have to do the total, so I have to add up all of them. Gabby has X. Joe has half X plus 10. Half X plus 10 plus, what is Corey? Corey has X plus 20. Corey has X plus 20. Let me add up all of them. We have X plus X makes it 2X or 2X plus another half X. Okay, and then I have 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20. So 2, this if I add up, eventually it becomes 2.5 X plus 30. Either I write it like that or I make it into an improper fraction. How do you make an improper fraction? You multiply the denominator with the whole number and then add the numerator. So multiply the denominator with the whole number means 2 into 2 makes it 4. 4 plus 1 makes it 5. So 5 upon 2 plus X plus 30. That's your final answer. Then what does it say? If Joe has 30 tokens, how many do they have in total? So Joe was who is Joe? Joe is the second one? No. Yes, Joe is this one. If Joe has 30 tokens, half X plus 10. So, half X plus 10 is equal to 30. Correct? This is what it means if Joe has 30 tokens. Okay. How much will Corey have? Corey, how many do they have? So, this is Joe's number. Okay, should we first find out the value of X? Okay, let's do that. So, half X is equal to 30. If I take the 10 on the other side, becomes minus 10. Half X is equal to 30 plus minus 10 is 20. X is equal to 20 multiplied by 2. Value of X is 40. Alright, now, so Gabby has, we have Gabby has X, Joe has 30, okay, they've given the value, and Cory has twice of Gabby, which is 30. So Gabby is equal to, here we have 40 plus Joe has 30 plus Cory over here, 2 into 30 is equal to 60. 40 plus 30 is 70. 70 plus 60 is 130. So, total number of tokens is equal to 130. Highlight your answer by putting it in a box. That's all for today, kids. Thank you and God bless you.